Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm on my way heading to April to pick up some baby chicken. Yes, so I'm going to be purchasing some baby chicks today. Yes guys, so remember to like, share, comment and subscribe if you're new to our channel, and turn on your post notification bell so me show you a little thing what is taking place on the road. As soon as I reach April, I'm going to show you what take place. So guys, so I just reach April. As you can see, we're driving in to April.
Normally they ask if your name is on the order list. So we have order straight through the ear. You know?
Yes, my people.
So the security stop point right here. Guys, so I'm down on the line to buy the chicken and also the chicken feed and stuff. So as soon as I got the cashier, I just make our next video. Alright. How much is it for one chicken now?
134.
134. Alright. So just cash 100 for that first and give me 6 bag of feeds.
Fine grade?
Yeah.
You have a high card?
Yeah.
Same name?
Simone Taylor. Simone Taylor.
27,767.
So see Dennis here come with the baby chick. Yeah. Alright, so we are check off the chickens. As I can see, 102 the back on the box cover. So that is 102 baby chicks. Here is the baby chicks. Whoa.
Alright, so normally you just check them off, make sure so you have right amount. Yeah, double check.
Yes guys. So remember to like up the video, subscribe to our channel if you have not as yet, and turn on your post notification bell. Yes guys, so us today I check off the baby chicks because this is the checkpoint, so you have to make sure to check the chicken before you leave out. That means every chicken them short you can rectify from now. Yes guys. So this is my iPad receipt. I'm not sure if you've seen the price on it. Yeah. Hope you can see the price. Yes guys, just the 100 chicken and couple bag of feed. Not the right amount of bag of feed as yet because it takes time to say.
So we buy 6 bags of feeds and
100 chicken.
100 chicken.
Yeah, that's basically it. But when you buy 100 chicken, you end up get 2 on it. If you buy 50, you get 1. Yes, guys. So anyway, we wrap up things as soon as we reach home. We'll show you what's taking place. So love you all, guys. Yeah. See you at home. The feed now, as you can see, we are packing the feed now. guys, so we just reach home, but before we say put in the baby chicks in the cube, we'll show you what's already done. The cube already say prepare, having the sawdust in the cube, yeah, a water pan, yes guys, and the feeding pan them.
Soon show some feeding in the
pan.
pan.
Yes.
The lighting, as you can see, have 1, 2, 3 lights, right? Normally they put the light so about 9 inches above the floor level, or 11 inches above the floor level. So I'm gonna show some feeding. I'm gonna look around.
Yes. So water pan them already having water. So Ozzy, I just throw some feed here now. Yes guys, so as I can see, Ozzy I throw out the feeding them now and stuff what's in the pan. Yeah.
I'll go for our next bag.
Yeah. Yes guys, so as I can see, all I feeding pan them now full up of feed. Yeah, see it here. Yeah, the water pan them having water. Yes guys, so Ozzy I just put in the baby chicks here now.
And before too, if you look around guys, you see the place I back it round with tarpaulin. So normally you back them round for at least a week, you know, to make them have the temperature, you know, the warm temperature, to make them deliver up more faster
And more better.
More healthy. Make them don't catch no cold or, you know? Yeah.
Yes guys, so as I can see, as you can, the baby chicks, I'm gonna take them out now. See how small them be? Yes guys. By next 2 weeks time, I can't believe I see them chicken them here, you see. And we are keep a follow up, we are give you a follow up guys. Yeah. To show you them step by step when them are grow.
Remember guys,
people.
this is 100.
Yes. This is just 100. But by right, my cook all up to 300 or 300 and add. Yeah. But at this time, we are just doing 100.
So, almost done.
Putting the chicken them in a cube, as I can see them all over the place. Them just run up and down and enjoy themselves. I'm not saying a lie, I love to see that look UTI chicken them when them just enjoy themselves. I don't know anything says. So anyway, we reach to the end of the video. If you reach this far, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel, and turn on post notification bell. See you in our next video, my peeps. We are out.